me tell you about the Tape Thing and the Tape Thing Caddy. The Tape Thing is a magnetic tape core device, looks like this. Comes in 2-inch, 1.5 inch, and 3/4. It is a magnetic device, has a ledge that rides your tape core so that the tape free spins, the tape edge never touches anything, so that tape remains crisp and clean. It is magnetic, so you could stick it on the paint booth wall, the tool cart, prep cart, keep it up off the floor, keep it from getting damaged. But there are times you're not around those places and you want to have other tools. Technicians need a lot of tools when they're prepping a car. So we created the Tape Thing Caddy. It can go on your hip or your back pocket or your belt, whatever you want. It has 2 hooks and allows you to put a rag, depending on whether you're left or right-handed. This is where the tape thing goes. Allows you to put the tape directly. You can pull the tape from your hip or you can pull the tape thing off and use it. Has a place for a straight razor blade. A lot of people put this in their mouth and behind their ear. One of these on the floor in some places is a $5,000 OSHA fine. Also has a place for another magnet. Allows you to put any tool you want to use. Also has a place for hook-it sandpaper or sandpaper where you can place it there. That's the features of the Tape Thing Caddy and the Tape Thing. You can buy it in a combo or you can buy it by itself, whichever one you would like. Thank you.